Now for the rear side, I did see a couple of things that could potentially be it. I did remove all the battery, as well this one single one. I removed it off the case. The first thing I told you to do is to check if all the connections on the fuse. So make sure to push these in, make sure they're good and tight. These as well. You will hear the ignition switch turn on if you have it on set. So I told you to check these two on the control boxes. It's the very first one right here and the back one as well. So we checked that one as well. And then so from there, this cable on the control box goes all the way and runs up into this one. I told you to unplug this one as well. If this one's not plugged in, make sure it snaps and it clicks in. For the last things on the battery, I made sure to tell you that to tug all of the terminals to see if they would come off. That would very much not allow the toy to turn off if that was not secured, so please do that. And the very last thing we did find, the charger port. Charger port disables the toy if it's not correctly adjusted or if something is loose. So we opened up the battery case, we removed one battery individually. Once we removed that front battery that was here in place, we opened up the charger port, removed the two screws that were here in place, and we got a flathead screwdriver, popped this out of place, and this came out. What I want you to do is I want you to wiggle these wires right here. Once you wiggle these wires, keep wiggling these to see if anything turns on. Wiggle this part too to see if anything turns on, and then this part as well. Wiggle any of these wires that could potentially be the reason why it's not making a proper connection. Make sure that all of these tests are done while the ignition switch is turned on. And that should be it to test all of these. Please make sure so I can help better assist you, okay? Bye-bye.